Hi guys! So today we have Egg Baby!
Yeah!
Crack open a friendly surprise!
Yes!
Oh my gosh guys, we love anything surprise. Surprise eggs, surprise bags, surprise boxes, and we love plush. So we've got the best of both worlds.
And we get to smash it.
Yes! Thank you so much to Wicked Cool Toys for sending these to us, right guys?
Thank you. Thank you.
Now this is series 1 and there are 6 to collect. I wonder if we will get all 6.
And it's got such a nice opening, how to open it. It's so nice. I'm just going to take it out. Oh, I figured it out.
Oh, it's an easy open package. I love it.
Oh, blue one did. Try to, ow. It's just gonna blow up. Okay.
What's that one for you?
Like over here and over here. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, like a little puppet. I got a puppet. I can't wait to start opening.
Oh, look at that one. It's so cute. That one's Patches.
Oh, you did it.
Oh, so sweet.
Ah! Now, time to open up the next one. Maybe you should chill. Nah. I pounded it. You need to chill. I'm just gonna like this one, right?
Oh, you know what's nice? You can actually set it back in the egg.
Yeah, I'm just like,
cradle them.
oh, it's these wrong up. Well, I can show it because, well, got a duplicate.
You got a duplicate.
Show the fuzzy bunny.
And Michael got bubble gum. Now let's see, Patches, the one that you got, Linz. The energetic and determined Patches never cracks under pressure, but he knows good sportsmanship is more important than the final score. And Michael, you have Bubblegum, confident and fluffy. Bubblegum is a natural leader. She has a true rock and roll spirit and loves to express herself through music. Oh my goodness. Michael.
Oh, look at that. Look at that dent right down.
Oh, you just love that, don't you? He likes to crack his eggs a certain way, I guess.
I have a feeling we're getting a lot of duplicates. Because I just got one.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like I got something special. It's white.
Oh my gosh. Did you get the surprise one?
Yes,
The mystery one?
Snowflake. Michael, open it already. Come on. We're all ready. I think it's a cat. I think it's a cat. Hi. We're all fuzzy.
Oh, let me see. Look how cute. You got Snowflake. The special mystery one. Sweet and lovable, Snowflake makes new friends wherever she goes. Her cheerful personality is truly infectious.
It affects people or something? I'm so happy now! Whee!
Wait, Liz, that's your third one?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a duplicate of bubblegum.
Woo! Woo!
You're so cute.
I want the turtle. Maybe your dream will come true finally. And my luck will be better than yours. Last egg. Hey! Hey, wait. Smash it over your head. It's got some anger. Did you get the one you wanted? Yes. I got like all duplicates. You'll find you, go. Here come to me.
Oh, you did get the turtle. Oh.
Never mind.
Turtellini.
Turtellini, baby.
He's outgoing and caring. He livens up the party by sharing yummy treats.
Look at them. The one I like to act for home. So what are we missing?
You're missing, what are you missing? Hamlet the pig. And Kiwi
Help.
the chick.
Help! 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 Someone help! It's not a big deal. I can't flip so I'm stuck. Thank you. Thank you. Time to go for a nap. Help! I'm stuck! Help! Look! Wee! Rabbit! Wee! Wee! Whoa. See a professional is... Do it on his back. I'm so professional. Wow. Wow. Yeah, she's like the queen. You gotta bow down. You gotta... Yeah. I'm not here. I'm gonna move in undetected. Ah! Get out! Get out! I'm the new king. Oh no, I'm stuck. Help! Yeah, you're the new king, alright. We'll throw you off. Ah! How's he feed me? He's in a shell. You gonna fight? You wanna fight, man? Really? No, this can't be my And we're back to this nice hair.
Aw.
You know what we did at the show? He's back! It likes his eyes.
So guys, do you have a favorite?
Yes. The turtle.
Turtellini.
Whoa. I like this one.
Oh, Snowflake.
Snowflake!
Uh-oh.
It almost hit the camera.
Oh my gosh.
It bounces off my big head. Wait. No.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. What happened to mine? That's mine.
Now guys, you can find egg babies at major retailers like Toys R Us, Amazon, and Kmart. They retail for $9.99, and we will put a link in the description below to find out more information.
Yeah.
Thank you again to Wicked Cool Toys for sending these to us, right guys?
Thank you. Until next time, guys. Bye. War. He's done the impossible. Double shell. Bye, guys.